big brand hardware you are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. East Khasi Hills District Administration on Friday issued an order prohibiting any group from taking out a procession rally, which may disrupt public order. The order was passed by the district magistrate R.M. Kurba after it had come to her notice that some organizations were planning to organize a Gau Dhwaj Sthapna Bharat Yatra in Shillong on 2nd October and that the organizers did not seek permission for carrying out the yatra. The order has prohibited assembly of 5 or more people for the purpose of any rally or procession within the whole Shillong city limits, including the Shillong urban agglomeration area. It said that the movement of an assembly of 5 or more people in any rally or procession within the whole Shillong city limits, including the Shillong urban agglomeration area. Any violation of the said order will attract penal provisions under Section 223 of the BNS and any other as deemed fit and appropriate, the district magistrate warned.